Me Dunya. So we will see here about best motorcycle accident liar. So we will discuss about it about the motorcycle accident liar, and content table is here, but we will see that how to find best motorcycle accident liars. The explanation is here. Find the best motorcycle accident liar is crucial when you have been involved in motorcycle accident and need legal representation to protect your rights and seek compensation for your injuries. Here are some steps to help you find right attorney. The first one point is seek recommendations. Start by asking recommendations from friends, family, or colleagues who may have had experience with personal attorneys. Personal referrals can provide valuable insights. And the other one point, second one point is research online. Conduct online research to identify potential lawyers in your area who specialize in motorcycle accident cases. Read their websites, reviews, and testimonials to get a sense of their experience and track record. The third one point is check credentials. Ensure the attorney is licensed to practice law in your state and is a number of relevant bar associations. Look for certifications or membership in organizations in like America Association for Justice or your state's trial lawyers association. And the fourth one point is experience matters. Look for attorneys with substantial experience in handling motorcycle accident cases. Especially experience can make significant difference in navigating the complexities of these cases. Schedule consultations. Contact a few prospective lawyers to schedule initial consultations. Most attorneys offer free initial consultations during which you can discuss your case and assess their expertise, communication style, and willingness to take your case. And the number six point is here, ask questions. Prepare a list of questions to ask during consultation. Inquiries about their experience with similar case and their success rate and how they plan to handle your case. And the number seven point is assess communication. Pay attention to how well the attorney listens to your concerns and whether they explain legal concepts clearly. Effective communication is essential throughout your case. And eighth point is fee structure. About fee structure, discuss attorney's fee structure during consultation. Many personal injury lawyers work on contingency fee basis, meaning they only get paid off if you win your case. Make sure you understand the terms of fee agreement. And next is references, and after it review the contract. Before hiring an attorney, carefully review the retainer agreement, ensuring you understand all terms and fees. Don't hesitate to seek clarification on any unclear provisions. And after it, trust your instincts. Ultimately, trust your instincts. When choosing lawyer, you should feel comfortable and confident in your attorney abilities to represent your interests effectively. Selecting the right motorcycle accident lawyer is a crucial step in seeking the compensation and justice you deserve after accident. Take your time to make an informed decision and don't hesitate to consult with multiple attorneys before making choice. So please, for this type of informative videos, subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. And thanks to all of you.